Hey guys, my name's Carl and today we're going to make a DIY milk crate storage for the back of your kayak. Some of the items you might need for this build: a milk crate, some zip ties, side cutters, PVC piping, a hacksaw, piece of paper and a marker, or if you're like me, you can cheat and use a grinder. Eye protection if you're going to use a grinder. Let's jump into it. Basically what's going to happen is I'm going to zip tie this one on top of this, so we have like a lid, extra storage on top. However, I am going to cut it down so it's not as tight. As I said before, eye protection. Third, edges. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to tidy them up with the grinder as well. Another handy tip is you can use a Stanley knife to get all the extra burrs off. Okay, so I didn't mention this tool earlier, but we're going to need a drill. So what I'm going to do is pretty much add some drill holes in the side of the box. That way the zip ties can go through it, and that will give us a better hinge. Perfect. These zip ties, you don't want to go too tight, that way it still gives you plenty of ability to open it up. Cool, once that's done, we can then go into fitting some rod holders. Right, so basically what you want to do is you want to get a rough measure of where you want your rod, get a rough idea of where you want your rod holders to be. On this I'm going to put 3, and they're only going to be really short. Right, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go from probably just below this cross here to maybe the top here. About there, I'm gonna mark it. Right, and a quick tip that I picked up to make sure you get a straight cut is you get a piece of paper, right, and you wrap it around the pipe on your mark, and you line up the edges of the paper. Right, on your mark, make sure the paper is overlapped perfectly. So from there, what you do is you can get your marker and you can run it on the edge of that paper all the way around, and you'll get a perfect straight cut, or a perfect line to cut along. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it in the vise and close it. Just firm, not too tight. You don't want to crush the pipe because you'll just end up breaking it. I'll take my hacksaw and just cut it along the line. That, pretty simple. And then I've got the privilege, I've got a bench grinder, so I can just quickly tidy that up. Quick tidy up, and then I can make my other 2. Okay guys, now I've got my 3 pipes cut. I'm going to attach them to the back of the crate. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them on the side, so this opens sideways. And that's just so that the rods, once they're in there, they won't actually get in the way, and you can still open it from your seat. So basically the approach I'm going to go here is I'm going to use 2 zip ties at the bottom and at the top, and that should secure it to the crate nicely. Go. Now the 3 are attached, we can place it on the kayak and see how it goes. So there's some things I didn't do that you can probably do, like notch your PVC pipes in. You could probably get a heat gun and a glass bottle and flare them out a little bit if you want. And I didn't show you how to attach it to the kayak, and that's because everyone's kayak's different. So I'll leave that up to you guys to come up with a way to secure it to your own kayak. That's the DIY milk crate. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys.